Hey. Okay, guys, let's see what we can do in graphical mode administration. What is it? Graphical mode administration. Very easy, straightforward, no commands, just look and read. Okay, if I want to create users, what shall I do? So I click the start button or Fedora button. Thank you for letting me know that. Can you see now? Okay. Shabab, forget that, that is magic. Okay, so I want to create a user. Let's try creating a user, okay? Let's see. So where shall I go? Where shall I go? Very good. Administration, but then? Users and groups. Is that easy?
Yes.
Did I teach you this? No. You found it, yeah?
Yes.
Users and group. I want to create a user called, what is this?
Root password.
Yeah, because administration, the system configuration changes can be done by the people who have administration permission, yeah? What is the password?
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't see what you did.
I opened this user manager. You want to know from where?
Yeah,
From start, that is Fedora, administration, and users and groups. Okay? So now, how do you think I can create a user?
Add user.
Add user.
Username?
Okay, I'll say Ibrahim for
Visa.
Ibrahim V. Okay. Okay. Do I need this full name?
No.
Optional. If you want, you can come here and type Ibrahim Visa. So password? Do I have to do anything else?
No, just yeah, no, help me.
Don't even have to worry about it. Okay, we don't have to know about it. Just click OK. The chosen password is too weak. It is based on the dictionary word. Do you want to use it anyway?
Yes.
Yes. I'm recording, okay? Okay. Now, can I log in with this account or no?
Yes.
Of course, very good. So you know how to create users now. Don't worry about the groups. Let's see what other options we have in administration.
You can.
Authenticate, remove software, same, bootloader, no need, desktop switching tool, no need, later. Firewall, that's something interesting, yeah?
Yes.
Firewall. What does the firewall do?
For security.
Yes. Security.
What does the firewall do?
It's a blocks.
Yes.
What does the firewall do?
Close the unnecessary ports. That's it. Yeah.
Very good, filtration. There.
No.
Okay. Now basically, like when you go to the graphic mode, you don't talk about the ports and things as such, yeah? It's mostly about the programs.
You can put a
Okay.
firewall for
Here you can define which services are trusted. Trusted services are accessible from all host networks. Now, if this machine, for example, say web server is running in your machine. Guys, Shabab. Baden. Okay. Now, if you want somebody to access resources which is shared in your machine, then you have to open that particular program, allow that particular program to be accessed over the network. That means somebody sitting there can access into my Linux machine. Okay. So in future we'll be working on the networking, sharing documents, creating websites, and making this Linux machine into a server. Okay. What does the server do?
It's like your domain.
What does the server do?
Give
What does the server do?
HTML,
Very good. The purpose of the server is to serve the clients in the network. Right? Doesn't matter, it's a website, it's also service. It's serving the people, the client access the website, isn't it? So we can enable or disable a certain ports. For example, say I'm going to make this machine a mail server. So which one do you think I should enable?
Mail.
Mail.
Mail. If I don't enable this, then the mail service people can't access my mail. It's only inside in my machine. Understand? So similarly, whatever, like for example, I'm running a DNS server. I can allow people to access my DNS server. Okay? Can I disable it?
Yes.
S button will override any existing firewall configuration. Yes, yes, an RF. That's it. Is that simple?
Yes.
Just row, select whichever service we want to enable and click OK. In exam, I'll say use the graphical mode administration, create a user in a graphical mode. Okay, open the firewall for DNS. Okay, so you have to go here, open this program and just enable the check mark. Okay, boss?
Okay.
خلاص.
اتصل بفيصل زي
لا لا الساعة 6.
صبر.
يقول خلاص.
Okay. Now what did I do now?
Create user.
And open some application to be accessed over the network. Yeah, from the network they can access my machine only for this application. For any other application, no, because my firewall is running. Okay, next one.
Create a folder.
In your permission assignment, there was two things we discussed. Yeah, that is CH mode and UMask.
Yes.
So when you use CH mode,
To change the permissions.
very good. Change the what permission?
Of the
File or a folder permission. Very good. And UMask, we use it for what? Very good. Default permission. Wallah.
We are studying here.
I know. I didn't say anything.
You must know how.
Okay.
Default permission doesn't change anything there.
وين شفتها؟ Now I know what is the meaning of reserve.
But
Okay.
I tried. You must.
Yeah. I'm not going back to that. Okay, please. Like, I want to show something else. Now tell me, I want to get inside this. Which one is folder and which one is file, guys? Here.
Folder is black, blue, folder.
The blue one.
Blue colors are the folder. Black, yeah. So I want to get inside this folder and see what the folder contains. Very good. You're doing good.
Thank you.
So how do I see all the contents of this folder with the permission? Very good. You're all gonna get 100%, inshallah. What do I have?
You have files and folders.
Okay, who is the user owner name?
The user owner name is CSF2903.
Who is the group owner name?
CSF.
2903. Now can you see the permissions? What is the permission for the directory?
For the directory is
Read and write and execute.
7.
Read and write.
For the user, read and write and execute. For the group similar, for the other, only read and execute. User, other,
Yes,
group,
775.
user, group, other.
775.
775, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, so I use change mode to change the directory permission, isn't it?
Yeah.
How about changing the owner? I don't want the CSF to be the owner.
This is the new one.
CH4.
I don't know, let me think.
Go inside the CSF. Cham?
Change, yani change owner. Change owner.
I forgot. What shall I do? What does it say?
Cham root.
Root.
And right-
Owner is unchanged if missing. Group is unchanged if missing. But unchanged. What? Basically, CH owner, you can change the user owner. Can you see the user owner? This is the user owner. This is the guest owner. Sorry, a group owner. If you only use this root dot,
You change the user owner.
change the user only. If you say ch1 colon this one, then
Change the user and
The group only.
okay, very good. Now you understood? Let's try. Okay, CHOWN. I want to change what? Owner. What is your username?
Brahim Visa. No, Brahim V.
User 1.
Brahim V. The user.
Sure.
Ibrahim V.
The full name is Brahim Visa.
Ibrahim, double sub.
CSF.
Ibrahim V
No opinion.
colon.
Now change the user owner. Try Cham.
Okay. Space dir 1. Dir on permission operation change ownership permission of directory 1 operation not permitted. While
SU.
ls minus l. Watch me. I'm coming. I'm coming to that place. You're too fast. Why you didn't come? I'm in an exam. I forgot.
Because you are not administrator.
Change ownership can be done only under the supervisor account. فهمتم? Okay. The command is nothing but of
SU.
ch own user owner user group you want to change, or the group you want to change, and file or folder you type. So it will change. So the first instance I did the command correctly, but what did it says? Operation not permitted. Okay, so you can change the ownership by going to the supervisor account only. Okay, so can I go here or I have to go to the home? SU
Password, CSS. لا ما
Okay, now remember, like if you want to call back your previous typed in command, which keys you use? Up arrow, down arrow. Okay,
Where Ibrahim?
where is Ibrahim?
It won't show you because you are in the...
Exactly, this is the same like different profile. Whatever you typed inside this user account, only those histories will be available. Wallahi, I can see all beautiful, very serious, concentrating students around me. Okay, yeah, whatever. So the command again is ch own
The name of the user, Ibrahim V.
Double that.
double dot
بعدين الجروب.
directory. Okay, let's check what is the permission. Before the user was CSF2903. Okay, now ls minus l.
Not only the user.
So it changed both for this guy, right? Let's change the permission for the file 1 and see what's going to happen. File 1. I think he already gave the visa, that's why both are accepted. Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. Only
What happened now?
without double that, it change only the
user.
No.
For the directory.
Okay, so I'll make one more directory, make directory dir, say
Two.
check on. Okay, less minus L. Who is the owner now? Root. I want to change the root to Ibrahim. He becomes the owner for this directory. Ch on.
Ibrahim V.
Okay. And
Double
No, write the CH count.
double
Only the user.
But
can you see? Double dot, it takes the group as well.
Okay, after develop.
Let's try.
Other we can do with other.
Okay, create ls minus L. What is the permission now? Root and root for check 1, 2. Yeah. So
Make Ibrahim V, then double dot.
Double that to check user and group.
No.
okay.
You after Ibrahim.
After Ibrahim.
اوكي خلينا نجرب شو
What happened?
nothing.
Nothing happened. Lay?
زعلان.
There's a bug, I think, in this.
Mister, you will change the file too.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, my bad. Colon I'll come back here. I have to change it to. Now what happens if I type like this? Yeah? Because the command is not completed. You have to tell what you are trying to change.
Yes.
File or folder.
No, I'm talking about that after the.
Yes, yes. One second.
Okay. CHK OWN 2 plus minus L.
Only change the group, right?
You got it? If you want to change the user only, don't type the colon. Shabab.
If one of change both, double that after, not before, and before.
Did anybody get it?
هذا اللي شوف الحين خلي النقطتين الحين بالنص. على اليمين شوف.
So you have
على
user
اليسار شوف.
and group, right? The permission.
كمل.
And the third one is the everyone, right? That's why you get RWX, RWX, X, and R-X. Okay, this is for everyone, this is for the group, and this is for the user. If I want to change the permission, I want to change the ownership of any particular file, only for the user, I will use the command. I say only user. CH N, okay, and I say to whom I will change. Say for example, Ibrahim V, and I don't put colon. I don't put colon, and you say the file name or folder name. Understand?
Then double dot.
No need double dot. Only for the user. You want to change only this guy. You put ch1, user name who want to give the ownership
For
to.
the last one.
Only last.
Like, because the first one is owner, the second one is group, the last one is the user.
Who said? I didn't say that. First one is the user. Last one is the group. I am writing here. I just wrote it. Then this next one is everyone.
Okay, how to do with everyone.
Okay.
The
What
rest
about
is
everyone? You can just remove the permission. Ownership is name because it will look. You can just say no ownership. Now this one without colon, if you type, it will change the ownership from for the user only. Okay, to Ibrahim V, like what happened now. Okay, Ibrahim V, it doesn't change the group ownership. Okay, if you want both,
double dot.
CHWON
Double dot. After
Ibrahim.
Yeah.
V double dot
That's file
Folder name.
File and number.
on file name.
Okay.
And
Then
if I want to change only the group,
only the group, the double dot before.
CH phone
Double dot.
Double dot.
Ibrahim V.
Ibrahim
File or
V
folder.
and
File or
folder
folder. On file.
or file. Can you just experiment this, please?
Change permission
Huh?
for the group.
Change ownership, not permission. We are giving the owner from one user. Before, can you see here? Before it was root and root. The group owner was root. Can you see this?
Yes.
So I use the command which is chown colon Ibrahim V, right?
It changes for the group, right?
And it changed only the group. Group is the second one. If you see the next one, after the command, it changed only Ibrahim V by using the colon. After that, if you put the username. If you only put the username without any colon, it will change only the user. User ownership.
So without any dots, it will change.
Only for the user. Here, read. Only user without colon. Okay? For both, username after that colon. If you use chown, empty, and colon and the username, that means it will change only for the group. Can you check these three commands, please? Create new files and verify it for each steps.
Create a file.
So we cannot do this in the